Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Germany did not invade Switzerland. Switzerland's rugged alpine terrain created a natural fortress, making any invasion extremely difficult and costly. The Swiss military also maintained a strong defensive posture, with extensive fortifications and a well-trained citizen army. Germany ultimately focused its resources on other critical fronts, deeming an invasion of Switzerland too resource-intensive for limited strategic gain. Switzerland's defensive strategy was robust, centered on the Reduit plan, which involved fortifying the Central Alps. This made an invasion through the mountains incredibly challenging. The Swiss army, comprising over 400,000 highly mobilized soldiers, was ready to defend its territory. Furthermore, critical infrastructure, including tunnels and bridges, was rigged for demolition, ensuring that any invading force would face significant obstacles and delays. Germany had pressing strategic priorities elsewhere, particularly securing vital resources from occupied nations. An invasion of Switzerland would have demanded a substantial diversion of troops and supplies, which were already stretched thin across multiple fronts. Additionally, Switzerland's neutrality provided certain economic advantages, such as acting as a financial hub and facilitating trade, which Germany found beneficial without direct military occupation. Switzerland's role as a neutral financial hub was strategically valuable, facilitating international transactions and maintaining diplomatic channels that Germany could indirectly leverage. The cost-benefit analysis simply didn't favor an invasion, given the strong defenses and the potential for a prolonged, costly conflict. Plus, Switzerland's neutrality avoided creating another hostile front. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, check out the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.